7, and today we will be drawing Mike Wazowski! So first, you're going to come over here and draw a circle, because his body is basically a circle, and is kind of his head too. So you're going to come over here and draw a big circle, like that. Then you're going to come over here and draw one circle for his eye. Then you're going to draw 2 more circles in it. So 1, 2, and now you're going to color the last little tiniest one and make it black. Color it in or something. And then you're going to come over and make his mouth. Now this is kind of hard. And watch this. So you're not going to bend it too much, like this. Like that. You guys, first part of his mouth. Now you're going to come down. But once you get to here, you're going to go and round it up and see how happy he is. Then you're going to draw some teeth on the top. And now he only got like 3 little tiny teeth that are stuck together, kind of way, down here like this, like that. And then you got first 2 parts. Head, eyes, mouth. Now you're going to draw some details. Hooray, details. Okay, so first you're going to draw some horns, like that. Then you can come over here and draw little tiny spots. So like this one's biggest, that one's middle, and then that one's smallest. And then you can also draw his eyebrow. Then to make him a little bit more happier, like that. Then you can 1, 2, and you. So there, you got his head. Now you're gonna draw his arms and feet, or toes, or tinkle toes. Okay. Okay, so you got that part. So you're gonna draw a triangle. Then you're gonna draw another one. Make sure it's not too thick. But you're not gonna touch, you're gonna almost touch like that. So then you're gonna come back here and go down and make these into fingers. Like that. And you're gonna come down, connect it. Boom. So there's his first hand. Now you're gonna make the next hand like this. Go up, then the other one going up, and then his fingers are gonna be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 little fingers. And then you're gonna add some claws maybe or something like that. Okay, like that. So next you're gonna move on to his feet. So all you gotta do is whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, I kind of messed up on this one, but that's okay. You can always draw it again if you need to. So I'm gonna go like this, like little shoes. Oop. Then I'm also gonna add this little one as his toes. Boom, boom, and you got Mike Wazowski.